Hello everyone, how to copy formula in Excel. So let's start this my Excel and you can see here I have a sales data. So here I'm going to calculate the total amount of the sales data. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and select the first quantity. Then I use here the multiply sign. Then I select here the price. Then press the enter key and that's amount of cell calculate. The same formula I'm going to copy paste in below cell also. So for that, you just keep cursor on the corner point of the cell and you can just drag this formula below cell. But here is data is too large. For that, you just simply select the one cell, same as keep cursor on the corner point and you can see the plus sign is showing. Simply double click on it and that's it. Your formula is automatically copied to. So if you want to check, just simply select the one cell in the formula bar is formula is correctly pasted or not. Okay. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.